welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Shripad Naik meets Nitin Gadkari and Lalkrishna Advani in Delhi. MP urges central leaders to look into affairs of Goa BJP. MGP-BJP alliance declaration likely in couple of days. Mining traffic on Sadarda Patra Devi route closed. Police act after mining truck kills a youth from Torshe. Agitated crowd march on police station with dead body. Former Chief Election Commissioner N. Gopalaswamy demands strong legal mechanism to prevent candidates with criminal background from contesting. Expresses need to curb malpractices during polls. 500 Russians stranded in Goa after suspension of operations by tour operator. Russian consulate intervenes to sort out issue. Insurance company to compensate passengers. In sports, it's a match of misses. Dempo Sargamkar play out a goalless draw in the I-League. Both sides squander as many as 13 scoring chances in front of goal. Match ends 0-0. And Yusuke Kato impresses Dempo Sports Club. Kato flies to Japan after trials, but club asks striker to return to India this week. Dempo on verge of signing Kato. And now the news in detail. Shripad Naik on Sunday met the BJP leaders Nitin Gadkari and Lalkrishna Advani in Delhi and questioned them for denying him a candidature. The North Goa MP has urged these leaders to look into the affairs of Goa BJP. Meanwhile, though BJP and MGP have decided in principle to forge an alliance, a formal declaration is expected by Monday or Tuesday in presence of BJP's national leader Venkaiah Naidu. Congress screening committee is also meeting on Monday or Tuesday in Delhi to chalk out a final list.
Lots of hectic political developments are expected in the coming week. None of the political parties have announced their candidates except UGDP and GVP. MGP has given a deadline of 30th to the BJP to reply on the alliance and the seats. Sources in BJP says the decision might be delayed by another couple of days. BJP sources say MGP had asked BJP to give their final decision on alliance by 30th January. Forging an alliance has been decided in principle, but BJP might take couple of more days to decide on the seats. Jan Sampark Yatra of BJP will conclude on Monday in Mapsa. BJP might announce the alliance between MGP and BJP in the presence of Venkaiah Naidu on Monday on Tuesday. However, seats sharing decision might take another couple of days. Meanwhile, Congress screening committee will have a meeting in Delhi to shortlist party candidates by Monday or Tuesday. Congress and BJP both fear of a revolt after the declaration of candidates. On this backdrop, there are attempts from both the parties to delay the declaration of list till 6th February. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The ore transport from Satarda Junction to Patra Devi has been stopped. A decision was taken by the Pedne police after a mining truck killed a local youth, Rupesh Chari from Torshe. Crowd of the agitated locals from Torshe gathered at the police station with the dead body, demanding justice to the family of deceased and a compensation. The mining traffic from Satarda Junction to Patra Devi has been stopped from Sunday.
माइनिंग तो ट्रक टोटली रूट बंद पत्राई मार्गे गाडी येता कामा नये सरळ माइनिंग बांध्यासून जाता बांध्यासून सातारा.
It was about 10:30 in the night when Rupesh Chari was knocked down by a mining truck from Satarda, Maharashtra. The overspeeding truck killed Rupesh on the spot. He was 28 years old. Mining truck is owned by a person named Datta Khautankar. Rupesh was on his way to work at Banda late night on Saturday. He was a painter by profession. Agitated crowd from Torshe gathered at the site. People were searching for the truck driver, but the driver fled from the site. People rushed to the police station with the body in the ambulance. They demanded that the route for mining trucks from Satarda Junction to Patra Devi be closed for mining traffic.
आहे ते फॅटल ॲक्सिडेंट जाऊन लोक मरत आहात ते लोकांची किंमत पैशान देऊ शकतात
20 लाख 25 लाख 50 लाख पण जरी पैसे हे जो विषय आहे तो कंपन्सेशनाचो विषय आणि पैशान जे विषय आहे ते सॉल्व जावंक शकना.
They also demanded that the bereaved family should get a compensation of at least 50 lakh rupees from the contractor. Appa Raul and Sudha Kautenkar, associates of mine owner, rushed to the police station. Police have warned truck operators that the trucks will be confiscated. The traffic was closed from Sunday.
तुमचो जो डिमांड आसलो की आमच्या गावांतल्यान ट्रक नाका म्हणून ते फाल्यांच्यान आमी त्या वटेन ट्रक सोडचे ना आनी तेंचे ट्रक टोटल डायवर्ट जाता हे वटेन नायबाग ब्रिज सो ते वटेन कोणाचो ट्रक येयल्या मायनिंग तुम्ही माझ्या कंप्लेंट करपाक शकता तेका हांव डिटेन करतलो ते ट्रक. दुसऱ्या इश्यून अबाउट कंपेन्सेशन टेंटेटिवली त्यांनी येस म्हणला.
This is probably the 7th accident on the route by the mining trucks in past year. The villagers are annoyed as despite agitation to stop the ore transport, no action has been taken. Our reporter in Pedne, Vinod Mehtar.
Former Chief Election Commissioner of India N. Gopalaswamy has stressed on a need for putting in place a strong legal mechanism to prevent candidates with criminal tendencies from contesting the elections. He has also expressed a need to curb malpractices as the use of money and liquor in polls is on the rise. He was speaking at the book release function of Vavla, authored by Arvind Bhatekar.
Between the two Lok Sabhas, 2004 and 2009, there was an increase in the number of people, 25% increase in the number of people with serious criminal cases. I am not talking about some small offence. One, the RTA Act must be implemented very vigorously. Second, there should be a strong legal mechanism, whether you call it Lokpal, Lokayukt, anything you call. But there should be a strong legal mechanism which can take up cases of corruption and complete them in a foreseeable time.
Goa will go on for poll on 3rd March. The former Chief Election Commission lamented that money and liquor are being used in huge quantities to lure voters ahead of elections, especially in the last decade. He gave instances of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu where the flow of money and liquor had witnessed a sharp rise.
Karnataka elections 2008, 45 crores was seized in terms of goods, I mean t-shirts, cricket kits, you name it, hard cash and also liquor. In recent elections in Tamil Nadu in 2011, it was 52 crores or 55 crores. At one place, 5 crores was found in cash.
Former Chief Election Commissioner was the chief guest for the book release function of Vavla, authored by former IAS officer Arvind Bhatekar. Former Chief Minister Shashikala Kakurkar, noted writer Uday Bhembre, Chairman of Fomento Resources Avadut Timlo and others were present. Bhatekar's book, released at the hands of Gopalaswamy, speaks about the author's experiences in the Indian administrative services and public life.
एक IAS ऑफिसराचो अनुभव तातूंत हांव सारको बरोवपाक शकलो काय ना तेही म्हाका कोंकणींतल्यान बरोवन म्हाकाच खात्री करून दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली की कोंकणी आमी म्हणटात तर सगळे खोलायेन सगळे विचार विस्कटावन एनालायज करून आमी कोंकणींत बरोवंक शकता काय ना हाची म्हाका खात्री करून घेवपाक जाय आशिल्ली आनी ती हांवें खात्री करून घेतली. हातूंत म्हजे अणभव जे आसा जे समाजशास्त्रांतल्या वाठारांत आसात, जे भौशीक प्रशासनांतले म्हणजे पब्लीक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या वाठारांत आसात, जे आमच्या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर वाठारांतले आसात.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.